Hey, it's Rosie Thomas, and I'm here to give you a quick recap of our power-packed video marketing session at Thomas Financial. We dove into how video marketing can take your tax business to the next level, sharing tips on creating videos that pop. Whether it's the right message or a strong call to action, we talked about how to grab attention and keep it. Then we got hands-on with a basic video editing tutorial. You learned how to easily add text, music, and transitions, turning simple videos into engaging content for social media. You're ready to stand out and drive clients. Next, we cracked the code on effective hashtags, finding those perfect tags to boost visibility and connect with your audience. You're now equipped to reach more people fast. Lastly, we explored some top-notch marketing tools to simplify your promotion. These tools are your secret weapons for consistent, eye-catching content. Can't wait to see your creative videos lighting up social media. Let's keep growing and making your tax business unforgettable.